Imagine putting your heart and soul into something, and then silence. Robert was this close to quitting again. But then, his first order came in. And just like that, a flood of new orders followed. What was he selling anyway? Can you guess? Custom sneakers. But here's the kicker. It wasn't the product that made him successful. It was his approach. The real secret was how he marketed it. Robert used a strategy that most people overlook, but it was so powerful that it turned his small-time idea into a six-figure business in a matter of months. And he didn't spend a dime on ads. Intrigued, right? It's coming up, so keep watching. With orders pouring in, Robert needed to grow fast. But how? He didn't have thousands to blow on ads. Then, he discovered the secret weapon, the micro-influencers. That's right. He didn't chase after the big names. Instead, he reached out to smaller influencers, ones that people trusted. And boom, within days, his products went viral. Robert had cracked the code. He had discovered how to get massive reach without paying a single cent. And what happened next? Let's just say, you won't believe the numbers. Robert's business was growing faster than he could keep up with. He was reinvesting every penny, building multiple streams of income. And then, the moment came. That one moment when his balance crossed 7 figures. You can imagine his heart pounding as he stared at the screen. Let that sink in. $1 million. And the craziest part? It all started with one simple idea. One risk he was willing to take. You might be thinking, that could never be me. But here's where you're wrong. Now, here's where everything comes together. Robert didn't have some magical talent or insider knowledge. What he had were 3 key secrets. And if you understand these, your journey to financial freedom could start today. Let's unravel those secrets for you. Secret number 1 is the power of starting now. Robert didn't wait for the perfect time. He didn't wait to have all the answers. He jumped in. Imperfect, unsure, and that's exactly what you need to do. The biggest lie we tell ourselves? I'll do it later. Robert's first key to success was simple. He didn't wait for the perfect time. There was no perfect time. He started with what he had: his phone, a small idea, and a huge vision. You don't need to wait until you know everything or have a ton of cash to invest. Start with whatever you have, but just start. Secret number 2 is to fail fast and learn from failure. Failure wasn't an obstacle. It was Robert's greatest teacher. He didn't waste time sulking over losses. He quickly learned and moved forward. Every failure brought him one step closer to success. This is the most counterintuitive secret, but it's what separates the winners from the wannabes. Robert wasn't afraid of failing. In fact, he embraced it. He didn't spend weeks perfecting his ideas. He put them out there and learned fast. Every failure taught him something that brought him closer to his goal. And finally, secret number 3 is to leverage people's attention. Your audience is your currency. Robert knew that. He didn't sell products, he sold trust. By leveraging small influencers with engaged audiences, he created a viral effect that money can't buy. Here's where the magic happens. People think business is all about products and pricing, but Robert learned the truth. Attention is the most valuable currency in the world today. Robert didn't just sell sneakers. He sold trust by collaborating with influencers. People don't buy from companies. They buy from people they know, like, and trust. Robert's journey wasn't just about making $1 million. It was about breaking limits and redefining what's possible. And if you're sitting there thinking, I don't have the skills, the money, or the time, think again. The opportunities are out there, and they're waiting for someone like you to grab them. So, what's holding you back? Robert did it, and so can you. If you're ready to make the leap, hit that subscribe button and start taking action right now. Your first million is waiting for you.